product to identify defects or identify mistakes within this product. So as one of the quality control processes, so we are conducting the physical checking of the product. So the other one, apart from inspection, is testing as one of the control processes. So we are testing the product that has been produced. So this involves subjecting the product to certain conditions in order to know if it's able to resist that condition. So testing. For example, we have produced a phone, and then we are saying this phone is waterproof. So this phone is waterproof. So testing would involve submerging this phone into water. So we are saying apart from inspection, which is the physical checking of the product, organizations can also go through what we call testing. So this is subjecting the product to certain conditions in order to prove if it meets the required standard. So for example, if we are producing a phone, then we are saying this phone is, for example, it's waterproof. So testing, it means we have to check the quality of this phone by submerging this phone into water for us to know if it's really waterproof or not. So that's testing. So we're trying to subject the product that we have to certain conditions in order to check if it's complying to the overall quality or standard of the product that we want as an organization. So another control process is verification. So this one, it's a process of checking if we have met all the specifications within a specific product. So if we have incorporated all the specifications, so specification has all those characteristics, features that must be into a product. So we are just verifying. So if we say that our phone must have all these, then we have to verify, or we have to check if our phone has all these factors that we say it's going to have. So that is verification. Checking if our product has all the specifications, all the requirements, all the features that we say the product is going to have. So verification, testing, and inspection are some of the quality control processes that an organization can go through at various stages of production in order to improve quality of the product that is offered. Any questions on inspection, testing, and verification? No questions? The physical checking. So you have a product and then you are physically checking. So this one, you are just subjecting the product to a certain condition. So for example, you say the phone is waterproof, so we have to test it to see if it's really waterproof. This one, we are just checking if you have met all the requirements, all the specifications. So another method of achieving quality. So another method of achieving quality is through training and development. So we are trying to achieve quality by developing our human resources, our employees. So it means we want our employees to have the needed skills or the needed knowledge on how to operate on the certain production machinery. And then we are taking these people to training schools, or these people they are being trained on how they can effectively operate a certain machinery within the organization. So investing in employees it becomes one of the strategies of achieving quality. So by training and development, an organization can choose for example, on the job training. So the employees are being trained within the organization. And then there's also what we call off the job training, whereby the organizations are being trained outside the organization's premises. So all this training and development is done in order to control quality within the organization. So training and development as one of the strategies of maintaining quality within our organization. Standardizing processes. So we have to make sure that our processes within the organization are standardized. So what it means that they are consistent and organized. So each and every individual or each and every employee is meeting this standard. So what we don't want is employees to be doing whatever they want. So we don't want to have variations. So for example, what one employee can do, it has to be the same level of performance that another employee has to accomplish. So two employees must do two separate things. So we must minimize variations. So for example, if you are producing, for example, donuts, so the quality of the donuts must be consistent. So we shouldn't have, for example, a donut which is of poor standard, and then another one which is of high standard. But then all donuts they have to meet the same standard. So that is consistent and being organized, whereby our product it has to be of the same standard. So this can also be including our quality supply. So where we are getting raw materials. So the overall standard of the overall quality of our product can result from our suppliers. So if our suppliers are offering quality raw materials, it means our overall outcome or our overall output will also be of high quality. But then if we are obtaining our raw materials from people who are, or from suppliers who are offering low quality raw materials, obviously it means the end product that we are going to have, it is also going to be something of low quality just because we are using raw materials which are of low quality. So when we are obtaining the raw materials for the suppliers, it determines the overall quality or the standard of the product. So it means as an organization, we have to go for high quality suppliers. So as a way of achieving quality within the organization. So if you are asked, so what are some of the 4 ways of achieving quality within the organization? Then you have to be able to describe these factors. So you can describe on standardizing processes, training on skill development, or supply quality management as ways of achieving quality within the organization. Another one, it's continuous improvement. It's also a way of achieving quality within the organization. So we have already defined this as the process of ongoing process of making small. So it's an ongoing process which is not stopping of making small and consistent. So these are small improvements, but then they are consistent. So we are not stopping. We are still making these improvements each and every day within the organization with an aim of having a product which is of high quality. So these consistent and small improvements, they impact the overall quality of our final product. So continuous improvement within the organization is emphasized in as far as achieving the quality product is concerned within the organization. Questions so far? So we are going to the last slide. We are going to the last slide. Yeah, we are almost done. Yeah, this is the last slide. We are still on way to achieve quality. So who's doing auditing? Who is doing auditing? Auditing. So we are continuing. Quality audits are also another way of achieving quality. So it's coming from the way the auditors. So an auditor is a person who assesses the financial records of an organization. So this person, he assesses the financial records to see if the organization is complying to the government standards, and also if the organization is complying to the accounting standards. So that's an auditor. So an organization can also have this person, the quality auditor. So this person is assessing the internal and also is assessing the organization to see if they are adhering to the standards, and also to identify areas of enhancement. So just like what an auditor does, this person is also responsible for assessing if this organization is meeting the standards, and also to check the areas where they have to improve within the organization. So by having this quality auditor, an organization can improve its overall quality of the product. So can achieve quality of products within the company. Customer feedback is also here. So by getting feedback from our customers, and then by also reacting on this feedback, so positively reacting on the feedback from customers, it can help us to achieve quality within the organization. So if we are able to listen to our customers on what they want, then we can be able to meet their specifications, to meet their requirements, and then at the end of the day, we can attract more customers to our organization because we are able to address the interests of the customers. We are able to satisfy the needs and the wants of our customers. So by responding to customers' feedback, it becomes one of the ways of achieving quality within the organization. Because we can improve by coming up with a more improved product within the organization. Last but one, it's technology and automation. So as one way of achieving quality, an organization can go for technology and automation. So we are using technology in production. So in this case, this organization is graduating from using traditional ways of production to modern systems of production. For example, in the first place, this organization was using physical labor. So human beings were working on the raw materials to produce the final product. But then they are deciding to adopt technology or embrace technology within the environment, within the organization. So by embracing technology means they'll be able to produce high quality products or efficient products just because they are using machines. So obviously machines are fast, they are reliable, and then they are also consistent. So a machine can produce 1,000 products, but then the product can be of the same standard. But then if you're using human beings, it means another human being can produce a product of another quality, and then another human being can also produce a product of different quality. But then with machines, it means everyone is producing products of the same quality. So as one way of achieving quality within organization, benchmarking. So this organization will have competitors within the market. So these competitors, they may be offering the same product within the market. So benchmarking is just this process of comparing the organization's production processes with their nearest or distant competitors. So as an organization, we have competitors, and then we have to compare. So how are our competitors doing? So what are the production facilities or production equipment they are using in producing their products? So with an aim of knowing where we are missing out as an organization. So maybe we are missing out, or maybe our competitors, they are doing it in a way that we are not doing it. So we have to compare these, our production processes, with our competitors, in order to understand areas of improvement within our organization. So by addressing these improvements or areas of improvement, we can improve our overall quality within the organization. So that's benchmarking. So this process of comparing our production processes with our competitors' production processes, with an aim of improving quality or an aim of knowing where we have to improve within our organization. Yeah, that's it for the day.
Everything is clear.